Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find your Snapchat username and how to change your password. So let's jump right on into it. I'm going to go ahead and click on my Snapchat app. Once you're in here, you're going to go to the upper left-hand corner and click on your profile photo. Now, once you're in your profile, you can see right at the top what your username is. My username is how_25507. So that's how you find your Snapchat username. Now, there's no outright way to see what your password is because that's a security concern, but I can show you how to change your password. So let's go to the upper right-hand corner and press the settings icon. And then I'm going to go all the way down to where it says password and click on that. Now you will have to enter your password, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once you've entered your old password, you're going to go ahead and enter a new one. From here, you're going to press save. And there you are, your password has been updated and you now know your username. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. If it did, please like and subscribe. That would mean a lot to us. If you have any comments or questions on this tutorial, please leave them down below in the comment section. I will see you soon. Have a great one, guys. Bye.